from Stamping Imperfection. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a subscription kit that I just got today that I love sharing every month, and I'll share a scrapbook layout that I created with this. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you click subscribe and click that bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. So I am playing with the Not Too Shabby Shop's September subscription kit, and these are chock full of goodness. Look at, you get two full-size 6x6 inch paper pads, and they're double-sided papers. They're nice heavy weight cardstock. They have a nice glossy shine on them, and there are 24 sheets per pad, so you get 48 sheets altogether. And I really work hard to use up as much as I can in the month that I get my kit. And I've been getting the kits for months now, and I love them. I'm not using all the paper. This is a lot of paper for 1 month. But I love the paper, and I use a lot of the paper. I make a lot of projects with that. And it comes with 2 ephemera sets, and one of the sets will coordinate with one paper pack, the other will coordinate with the other paper pack, and you can see how beautifully made these are. Like, these are gorgeous. They're like this every month. They're so beautiful, and the colors are always fabulous, and they're usually always seasonal, which I really like. And it's just fun to have a kit that I can use every month to create season appropriate goodies. I really like that. So you always get the 2 ephemera sets, the 2 paper packs, and I got 3 stamp sets this time. You can see there's one that's a sentiment set with some lovely sentiments, and then you get 2 really beautiful fall, iconic fall images, but they're not like every other stamp company's. Like, they all seem to be selling the same kinds of images. These are different, and I like them. You get a lollipop, I got a sticker, I got some sequins here, and the one I didn't flip over has a coupon code to use sometime during the month of September for 20% off. So I do find that this kit is a lot to play with. If I'm ordering a kit in general, I don't place other orders during the month. And trying to not add to my stash. And the other thing about these kits is I don't, in general, like to use ephemera on my cards. I do always create a card set every month with the kit, but what I really love to create with these ephemera pieces and the papers, I love to create scrapbook layouts, and I love to use them in my traveler's notebooks. So here's a scrapbook layout that I made. Now the red, the craft, and the white 12 by 12 papers were from my stash, and the Keep It Up or Keep It Real title is also from my stash, and the little gold puffy hearts and that little pink puffy heart are from my stash, as well as the little tag that I just dated. And here I'm adding some gold puffy hearts and some gold dots around the page. So I actually, on my blog, have a sketch that I created to go with this layout. You can see I added 2 pictures here. I used 2 sheets of the 6x6 cardstock to create that horizontal band of pattern paper across. I used 2 other pieces of that 6x6 pattern paper to make a mat behind the pictures that I used. And then I used the ephemera, and I placed my pictures so they were kind of diagonal across the page. So you can see I laid out my ephemera bits in a diagonal at the bottom of the photos, and I really like the way that came out. I put the date tag above the photo, and I put a little bit of the ephemera in the upper right hand corner, which is opposite where I did the diagonal. The diagonal's in the lower half, and that helps to balance my page. And I like the title where it is. I'm thinking I probably should have backed it with like a white piece or something, but I love that in my stash I had that bright pink, like raspberry pink color of Puffy phrases that's perfectly coordinated with the raspberry pink of one of the paper sets. So I covered up my pictures, and then I pulled out my Altenew ink spray. It's my gold metallic ink spray, and I just splattered it around the page because the pattern paper has a faux gold ink spray. So I just added to it, and I feel like it just blends perfectly. I really love the way this turned out. I thought this was super fun. So I hope you like this. I just wanted to share something that I made from the kit when I showed you the kit. And this is it. I've got pictures on my blog at stampingimperfection.com along with that sketch. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a great day.